Okay, how's everybody doing? So yes, I am getting rest, and I do have some video enough to build up a few episodes on advanced painting and like texturing, like this, like model related stuff that does, well, it is related to the model railroad in some respects, but in this case, it's larger scale, so it's easier to demonstrate. But I want to just mention a couple of things first before I move forward, and they're really based on comments on the channel. Okay. So I just want to say that some people that comment, I'm unable to respond to because I just simply can't like access the comment. I don't know why that is. There's a glitch in the algorithm or in the platform that doesn't allow me, like allows me to sort of see it, part of it, but when I click on it, like nothing, like it disappears. It's just the weirdest thing I've ever seen. And I've never, that I can recall, deleted any comments. The only ones that I have deleted are ones that people that want to spam porn on my channel. Like that's anathema to me. Like there's no like I don't give you three strikes, you're out with that. You're gone. And the algorithm usually pumps those comments into their little prison box so I can review it. So you're not going to get on this channel to promote your filth, okay, on my channel, right? Or your exploitation of people's daughters. So now, in terms of other comments, I'm okay with. Like everybody, I would say the whole community, including subscribers and non subscribers, have shown utmost respect, intelligence, and just classiness. The questions are great. The criticism is fair. The encouragement is off the charts. And I'm really thankful for that. And I really appreciate that. And as most of you know by now, at least my older, more mature subscribers know that, I'm a bit of a straight shooter. I don't pull any punches, right? But I'm pretty, I try to extend, passivity and not be, too direct. But I have to be direct about the following. Without mentioning the name or the names thereof of the channels or whatever that are associated with this particular individual, I just want to say that if you want to advertise your product, like on my channel directly or on any video, please ask me permission, okay? And you know who you are because you've been deleted, okay? So I just want to leave you with that. If that's what you plan to do, especially now since the channel's, 4,000 plus, you didn't want nothing to do with the channel before, right? And your friends did, but once the channel surpassed them, they couldn't figure out the fact that I was actually maintaining my channel and they weren't, which is the reason why it did. I'm sorry, but like I'm not going to accept that, out of respect to you. And I showed respect to them when I made comments on their channel, and they never even responded to me that I can recall. So that's not on me, that's on you, okay? So thanks again to my subscribers, to the loyal base, to those that respect the channel moving forward. So there's a little bit of channel maintenance for you. Just had to get it off my chest out of respect to everyone else that helps build the community on boomer dioramas and within the model railroad hobby, okay? Thanks for watching and listening, and I hope that you have a great day.